This is my new propane torch from Harbor Freight. I'm going to give it a try in my driveway, and I'm going to try in the backyard of a house that I rent. They've got a big area that's been overtaken by weeds, and I honestly just don't want to use Roundup if I don't have to, so I'm hoping this is a good answer for me. Okay, a couple things you're going to need be some soapy water and a wrench so this can get tightened down. It turns it opposite directions, so you have to turn it to the left counterclockwise for a good tight fit. Just threads on. It's a little wrench that came with it. So just snug enough. This is where you want to do a test. A little soapy water around the fitting. See if you get any bubbling. Anything here. I don't see any bubbling. No bubbling. Okay, close this back down. I think it's time for some safety gear. Definitely want to protect your feet and legs and anything that's going to be near a lot of heat. Electronic ignition does not seem to be working. No. Alright, so evidently other people have had problems with push button starter. So I'm just going to use my barbecue starter here.